Hi guys, so it's 11th March today and I am going to Colaba Causeway for the first time. I've heard a lot about it, so I wanted to see how it is and I'm gonna take you guys with me, so keep watching. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and firstly I would like to thank you guys for so much love, and we are a family of 8K now and I'm so grateful. So yeah, this video is all about my Colaba haul, and this was my first time to Colaba. I've heard so much about it. So basically Colaba is nothing but a straight lane where you have so many street shops going on, and it's amazing. You get clothes, accessories, footwear, everything at a very reasonable price, and I've bought few things from there, so I'm going to show you guys now, so keep watching this video. So as I entered the market, the first thing I saw was these big hoops earrings, and I really liked them. They're so light and so good. So that uncle was selling it for I think 150 or something, but I bargained a little and got it for 100 rupees. And yes, next thing I bought was these pink pom-pom earrings. Like, these are so pretty, and he was saying it for 150 rupees and I got it for 80. And then these set of bangles I got. They were looking really pretty and I really liked them, and I don't know, I think I got them for 180 and he was saying some 250 rupees. Yeah, also I'll be mentioning the correct price if I go somewhere wrong in the description box below, so do check them out. There were like few stalls where you can get your porcelain neck pieces or bracelets and all of that stuff, and everybody was getting their name done, but I already have my name in gold, so I got this magic written. I hope you can see that. And he was saying it for 300 and I think I got for 150. So yes, let's just go to clothes now. I got few nightwears. Yeah, the first thing I got nightie, and I really liked it. So cute. And I think this I got for 200 bucks. Yes. So yeah. Then there were stores where you were getting your PJs and shorts. So yeah, I got this frozen shorts for 100 bucks and the PJ with cute little hearts on it for 200 bucks. Yeah. And then let's go to few more clothes I bought. So this little jacket kind of a thing. So this got, you can tie it, and yeah, it's got little this and you can tie it. So yeah, this I got for 300 rupees. And then I got this off-shoulder top. I really liked it. The print it's so cute, and plus it's really soft. The material is so good. Got little buttons here. Yeah, and this I got for 250 bucks. And I got this dress which I really like. It's so cute. Got a little frill going on, and yeah, with the floral print. So this I got for I think 200 rupees. Yeah. And then I bought this really pretty and actually really cute dress. It got this flower embroidery done. I hope you can see it, and I'm thinking of wearing it with a belt or a chunky jewelry, and it looks so pretty. But yeah, when we went to this the store, they have this fixed price and they were not ready to bargain. So yeah, I got it for 350, which is really not bad, and I really liked it. Yes, the next place we went to was for footwear, and again that guy was not ready to bargain, and he was saying, pick any for 250, and I thought that's really good, and I got 2 footwears from there. So first one is this, the tan color one, and yeah, for normal casual wear it's really nice. And then I bought this one with the little gold thing going on, and I really like this too for a casual wear. I think it's so pretty. So this was all about my Colaba haul, and one thing I've learned is like you really need to bargain. So if you don't know how to bargain, please go with someone who knows it. And yes, my most requested video is my skincare routine, and I'll make sure my next video goes up very soon, which will be about my skincare routine. So please click that bell icon so that as soon as I upload it, you get a reminder. Also, I'll be coming live soon, so please keep checking my social media accounts and follow me there, because I'll be informing you guys about it. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, bye.
Roll, camera, action.
Big loops. Your names on. And now let's go to where you were getting your PJs. They were like that thumb. Ready.